Now, Fox 54 Legal Connect with attorney Katonga Wright.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Legal Connect with attorney Katonga Wright here on Fox 54. So today we have a question from Facebook.
Okay.
We have a viewer that wrote in and said that they were in traffic court for a violation. The judge asked if he wanted to plead guilty, not guilty, or nolo. So he heard other people saying the same thing and they did that too. And he wanted to know what exactly does that mean and when should it be used?
All right. Well, this is an excellent question, and it's really something that a lot of people face because in our lifetimes, most people will encounter police for the purposes of a citation at least once through the course of their life, even if they are not guilty.
Right.
So the judge will ask about those three plea options, and particularly the nolo plea option. It's nolo contendere. It's Latin meaning no contest.
Okay.
And so what it means is that you're not saying I'm guilty, but I'm not saying I'm innocent either. It's kind of an in-between where you're not admitting guilt, but the court may have enough evidence to find you guilty. And so nolo means that you don't have a guilty plea on your record. It also will save points from going on your license. The unfortunate thing is that you can only plead nolo once every 5 years.
Oh, wow.
So you've got that as an out for that one ticket that you received, but if you get more than one in 5 years, nolo is only an option one time.
Wow, so it's like a Monopoly, a get out of jail free card.
A get out of jail free card, that's exactly a good way of looking at it.
So if you are faced with this and you're unsure, you forget these explanations, what should you do? Could you ask the judge or ask someone at the court, you know, the definition of those three?
Well, the judge will give a brief definition and overview when he's going over the plea options. But the court can't give you legal advice.
Right.
So in order to truly know what your options are, what your rights are, you should talk to a qualified legal professional who has experience in handling traffic citations in particular before you make a plea. There are certain citations that if you plead guilty to, you will have consequences. For instance, your license could be suspended. The last thing you want to do is go to court thinking everything's good. You later get a notice in the mail after pleading guilty to something you thought was pretty simple, and now you've got license suspension.
Wow, well, thank you again, Attorney Wright. And you guys can reach her at the email address on the screen, and we'll see you next time.